All right, guys, so let's take a look at what is included in the GFX Academy Discord server. This is basically where I do everything, okay? So when you sign up to either the monthly or the lifetime membership, you get access, full access to everything that's in this Discord server. Now, obviously at the start, you've got the usual welcome message, support tickets, and in the free section, you've basically got some links that will take you to the sign up pages. If you're a VIP or a premium member, every single person who's a VIP or a premium member gets the option whether or not they want to become an affiliate with GFX Trading Academy. So that means you'll get 20% of any referrals that you sign up to GFX Trading now and in the future. And if the price goes up, then obviously the commissions will go up with it. Okay. You've also got Trustpilot reviews, or link to the Trustpilot reviews, where you can take a look at what our current students are saying. We've got links then to our Ascendix Capital partnership, where you can use our unique discount codes, which are also in the bio of this video. Links to my broker. So I use IC Markets. I've used them for 5-6 years. Incredible firm to trade with, great spreads, etc. So if you wanted to use a personal account, you can also sign up to IC Markets through the link in my Discord. Then you've got YouTube, the usual sort of links that there'll be free videos that I upload on YouTube quite regularly. This is an incredibly popular video at the minute on my YouTube channel. This is the complete walkthrough of how to use CTrader, okay, on the desktop from start to finish. So getting set up and using some of the more advanced features like advanced take profit, automatically moving your stop loss to break even, things like that. We then got promotions. Okay, so I do occasionally do some promotions. Sometimes I do a 50% off lifetime, and then of course we've got the Ascendix 50% discount, which is still running. Free book library, where we've got Trading in the Zone, Rich Dad Poor Dad, the Candlestick, Trading Bible, some great books in here which you can all download for free. And then this is where it gets a little bit more exciting. So we've got an announcements channel where I basically, if I've got anything important, or if I'm updating the strategy, or if I'm becoming a partner or an affiliate with any other prop firm, which I don't think is going to happen anytime soon. Ascendix Capital are probably the best firm I've worked with for a long time. So, but underneath that, this is where the magic happens. So every single day I will post a breakdown video, okay, which will be 3, 4, 5, sometimes up to 10 minutes long. And what it will do is it will just explain my levels, what I'm looking at. Mainly I trade gold, Nasdaq, DAX, but I also trade Forex pairs as well. So if there's anything that I see in the analysis which I think is important, I'll break that down into small little videos, and you'll also get then updates on, you know, whether or not I'm looking to enter that trade, which may become a new channel because it can get a little bit clogged up in here. But yeah, anything that I think is important. But the most important thing that you need to pay attention to in here is the daily breakdowns, right? Because this is where all of your trades are going to come from. Anything that I'm looking to trade throughout the day will all be dropped in here first thing in the morning. You can see that it's, you know, 7 a.m. here in the UK, 7:40. So we're generally getting a video out before 8 a.m., which is when London opens. Okay. Now we have the general chat room, which is full of like-minded people all looking to achieve great things with Forex trading or trading gold or whatever it is they're looking to trade. Some very, very well-educated people in here. Majority of them are very profitable and experienced traders. So if I'm, for some strange reason, if I'm not around, there's other people here which will answer the questions, and they share charts and take profits and all sorts of other things as well. We've then got the gold chat, which is, you know, well, basically what it says on the tin. It's here to share gold analysis only. And again, some very good traders in here, some very good analysis. And again, if you want to ask questions, you need any help for trading gold, this is where it all gets done. 20 trade challenge, which some of us are taking on board at the minute. This is something that I've created in order to manifest discipline, patience, and consistency in your trades. So once we get to the end of the 20 trades, we can then review your trades, go through each and every single one of them, and if we need to fine tune anything, if we see any mistakes, we can do it together, either by a live Zoom meeting, or we can just talk about it in the chat room or private DM or whatever. There's a few of us also on the road to 1 million in funding. All right, so everybody encourage each other in here and post their certificates, etc. Again, it's all based on team trading, so it's just a nice thing to have everybody working on the same process, trying to get to the same end result. And then when we get to 1 million, there's no reason why we can't keep going. 2 million, 3 million, 4 million. Yeah, the sky's the limit. So funding roadmap, which is very simple. I go through this a lot of the time on a private Zoom meeting or whatever. We've then got content requests. So if anybody wants anything specific, they can either ask me via DM, which is what happens most of the time, or you can do a request in the content requests channel, and I'll do my best to get that done either the same day or if not the day after. We've got a live trading room down here, which I won't click on right now because obviously that is it's gonna activate the live room and people start joining, and basically I'm just doing a quick run through what's included at the minute. So we then got new video tutorials, right? So these two here were done today. I've got the next three which are coming up in the next couple of days. This is all based on moving up to the time frames to more of a swing trading style. With that said, still using the day trading entry techniques, which are marked out here in the bottom. So the GFX 2.0 simplified course actually has 17 videos, which are ranging from 20 minutes to 5 minutes long. They cover everything that you need to know about market structure, market cycle, advanced candlestick anatomy, candlestick momentum, reversals, liquidity, entry examples. We then got 4-hour entry confirmations, higher time frame versus lower time frame confluence, using the Garm box to filter out bad trades, how to catch explosive moves on gold or any pair for that matter, breakout formations, reversal formations, accumulation breakouts, price action breakouts, and market cycle, market structure and entry techniques. Okay. We then got the day trading strategy blueprint, which is a 30-page blueprint to trading the 15-minute and the 30-minute time frame with intraday levels, right? So you can download this, you can print it off, you can have it next to you on the side of your desk or wherever it is you trade. It was updated in December 2023, so it's all current, all up to date. It's 30 pages long, and it will actually give you the exact blueprint from entry times, time frames, how to place your manipulation points and your levels, how to enter, where to take your profit, where to take your stop loss, session changing rules. It pretty much covers everything, right? Very in-depth, very thorough. And if you can't trade with this and become a profitable trader, then trading is probably not for you, to be honest. We then have the GFX 1.0 original videos, which are from a couple of years ago now. There's another 17 videos in here, which you have full access to, obviously, as a VIP or premium member. There's a lot more value in these videos than what you'll probably find in any other course. Some of the things I talk about in here generally not spoken about much in the Forex trading space. So you get access to all the old content as well, which I'd probably wait until you've completed GFX 2.0 and read the day trading blueprint before you move on into the older content, because there's some stuff in here which we use, some stuff that we don't use currently. But what you'll have is you'll have the information again on imbalance, on liquidity, supply and demand, imbalance, compression, volume. So basically, when volume comes into the market, how to use it, point of control, market profile, completed cycle. Okay, so when a market cycle is completed after 3 pushes, what to do and how to trade it. Daily analysis, fair value gaps, order blocks, fair value gap, take profit. There's loads of stuff in here. So that's a walkthrough of what you should expect if you were to come over to GFX Academy and join us. I think around about 30 other people now who's in the academy. If you have any questions, feel free to DM me on Instagram, Twitter, or you can send me an email via our website, or chat with me on the live chat on our website, and I'm happy to go through anything with you, just in case you have any doubts. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this walkthrough, or you know what to expect after joining GFX Academy, and hopefully we'll see you in Discord server very soon.